Quran has the solution for inequality, for injustice. Allah says in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse number 135 that Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, oh you believe, stand out for justice as witness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even if it be against yourself, against your relatives, against your mother or father.
Allah instructs justice. Allah instructs that you are just. Justice at the beginning with your Maker would ensure that you worship Him alone. No one besides He who made you deserves to be worshipped.
Justice is when you get what you deserve. Mercy is when you don't get what you deserve. He said, but grace is different from both of them. Grace is when you get what you don't deserve.
Justice has many dimensions. Broadly defined, the vertical dimension of justice between humankind and God is the theological sense of justice, while all forms of justice between human beings constitute forms of social justice. This would include everything from macro-level political and economic dimensions to micro-level interpersonal interactions between family members, friends, neighbors, and so on. The Quranic term which best explains social justice is the Arabic term qist, fairness, which entails a sense of equality and justice in distribution, and a shared social project to ensure that all members of society receive their fair share. Point 7. The political aspect of justice entails fair governance of people according to mutual consultation. Quran 42:38. There are many sayings of the Prophet that praise the virtues of the just ruler and assign a place in paradise for one who rules with justice. As well, the Prophet declared that the most noble struggle is to speak a truthful word in the presence of a tyrannical ruler. This latter sentiment is a powerful motivation for political activists calling for human rights. When the Prophet Muhammad heard about an incident in Abyssinia where an elderly woman was pushed, he declared, "How would God sanctify a nation that does not protect its underprivileged from its powerful?" 10. Thus, the prosperity and well-being of an entire nation are at stake when its members fail to protect those underprivileged from those in power.